Successful people never give up. Stay focused and work hard. With this, your heart desires shall be granted. It's on this note I welcome you to another edition of Sports Updates here on Remo TV. I am Oluwapelumi. On today's edition, we have a whole lot to discuss. But you should know this is ranging from the happenings in the world of Formula 1, tennis and football. Trust me, we all know a lot of things happened during the week in the UEFA Champions League and the Europa League, of course. And one thing we should always know is that the best side would always win the game. Well, not a very unfortunate one for Manchester United, because I feel they really do not work out to get what they wanted. Leipzig were the better side and they won the game and they got the qualification ticket to the next round of the game. That is just what the sports is all about. Alright, before we start anything, let me tell you that Lewis Hamilton is set to make his return for Mercedes in the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix that will be happening this weekend. You know, he was out for about a few weeks because he tested positive to COVID-19, but during the week he was tested again and the test came back negative. That is a very good one for Mercedes, and from what Lewis Hamilton has said, he made every of his fans realize he is ready and he can't wait to be back on the road, as that is what he has always wanted to do. And this is also a very big opportunity he would not take for granted, and would ensure that he keeps fit, he stays safe and maintains every guidelines that need to be maintained in order for him not to test positive again for the COVID-19, as that has stood as a barricade for him to partake from the last Grand Prix that happened in Sakar. That is a good one for Mercedes. And so during the week we saw the news that came from Alexander Zverev and his sponsor and his his agents in London, and after a very long dispute, the whole thing has been settled and these two parties tend to have parted, and the only thing we wish for Alexander is just the best of luck, because he's still 23 years of age and he still has a whole lot of things to achieve in his career. He has a whole lot of things to achieve in his career, and the only thing this parted agent wished him is just good of everything. I mean, best of luck, because he is very good, he's passionate, he's a very strong hand, and they wish him all the best, because you know that the left does not mean his career should stop. They really believe he can still continue in his game and he can get better than he has always done. That is that about Alexander Zverev. And also, you know, Manchester United, they crashed out of the UEFA Champions League and now they are back to the Europa League. Very sad scene for them, actually. Very sad scene for them. I believe Manchester United could have buried the game. They could have won without any iota of doubt, but their strength came in at the dead of the game. They were actually tired and they were not focused, and RB Leipzig came so hard on them and they really gave them the first 3 goals, boom. And you know, when the strength of Manchester United came back, it was actually so late. It was too late, but there's nothing we can do about that. That is just what football gives us. It gives us the shocker, it gives us the surprising winner, and that is just what it is. Away from that, Juventus defeated FC Barcelona 3-0. It was a very surprising game, and Cristiano Ronaldo scored 2 penalty goals. Well, a lot of people would call him Penaldo, a lot of people would call him whatever they want to call him, but this man is very good. And the 7 shots on target that came for Barcelona also came from the attempt of Lionel Messi. So during this game, we witnessed 2 GOATs, as they used to say, greatest of all time. And after the game, Cristiano Ronaldo said he never saw Lionel Messi as a threat or as a rival, that he is just a very good friend, and they charge each other to perform very well with the game. And that is just what it is. When Cristiano Ronaldo sees Messi, he gets the urge, he gets the courage to perform better. When Lionel Messi sees Cristiano Ronaldo, he feels he should outshine him. That is just what the game is all about. It is about competition. It is about who can perform better, and that was what we saw during their game. And this has given Juventus the edge to top the table, the group, and now Barcelona is on the second position, and they stand the chance of facing either Bayern Munich, Real Madrid, or any of those toppers. That is just what the game is. We stand to see what this would give them during the Monday draw, and we hope FC Barcelona would be able to qualify from the round of 16, because they've not given us the best of their performance, and we hope the coach, the players, and the board will get their heads together and think of something worth it, think of something worth it, think of something worth it. All right, giving you the roundups of every of the teams that has qualified for the round of 16 in the UEFA Champions League. We have Bayern Munich, we have Chelsea, we have Dortmund, we have Real Madrid, we have RB Leipzig, we have Atletico Madrid, we have Barcelona, and a lot of other teams. They've qualified to the round of 16. And the Manchester United, they are back to the Europa League. They are down to the Europa League, and really don't know, but we believe they will be able to perform better in the Europa League, because players, teams that are in the Europa League are not ready. They are not ready to give it a down. They are not ready to give it a down. They are all putting in their best to make sure they get the recognition they deserve, either from FIFA or from UEFA or from their leagues. That is just what football is all about. Manchester United should get their head together. The passion for Pogba always has, I think it has deteriorated, and he needs to just bring himself back to the game and perform well. Well, Hernandez is still the man. Maguire is not at that pedestal we want him to be. I'm sure you know you can't compare Maguire to Van Dijk. Van Dijk is way ahead of him. So Maguire should perform better for the team, because they really need him and they really depend on him. Finally, a lot of games will be happening this weekend from the Spanish La Liga Santander, from the English Premier League, from the German Bundesliga, and from Ligue 1. And one of the games we have, Manchester United will be playing against Manchester City. It is definitely another big test for Manchester United, a big test for them, and I don't think they would be able to survive this. But you know, apparently Manchester City has never been what they used to be last season. They are now less of their prestige. They've not been giving us the best of their performance. So this might possibly end in a tie. Personally, I would go for a draw, either a 1-1 or a 2-2 draw, because Manchester City is not better this season. I'm sure you would agree with me. Also, Real Madrid will be playing against Atletico Madrid. It is going to be a very tough one. And you know, Atletico Madrid presently, they are playing well. They are really performing so well. But I don't think Real Madrid would be able to match them. I don't think Real Madrid will be able to match. But you know, this is football. When a big team meets another big team, the tide might turn, and the unexpected might happen. This is just what football is all about. Marseille will be playing against Monaco, and PSG would be playing against Lyon. PSG would be playing against Lyon. That is just football, and I can't wait to see the whole actions that would be happening this weekend. It is what I used to say. It is what I've always told you. You know, we have a whole lot of young people betting, placing bets on games and all. This weekend also, we had a whole lot of occurrences that remattered, people staking with their last money with someone else's money and all. It is what I would always tell you. I won't tell you not to bet. I won't tell you not to do whatever you wish you want to do. But do not do this at the detriment of your own self. Don't stick with the money that is not yours. Don't stick with someone else's money, and be safe when you do this, because you know, all punters would always tell you, man, you need to be safe. You need to be careful. When you lose a bet, you should not come cry to people to refund. No, you should be responsible for your own action. So I would say it, please be careful when you do this, and always stick smartly as you go into this new week. So you need to stay safe at every point in time. To be part of the conversation, you can visit our website at www.remotv.com.ng. or visit our social media platforms, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter at Official Remo TV. There you can drop your comment and be sure we will give you a response. I still remain Oluwapelumi. Stay fit and enjoy the best of sports.